Hi! In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 9 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, just go into Settings and click on Connected Devices. Now select Connection Preferences and click on Printing after scrolling down. Then click on this default print service or just Add Service and install the best one for you. I will go with HP one. Now you need to wait for it to download and click on the back button twice. Then click on one of your services and tap on this switcher if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!